ka surjong phi ka thong jangi.
Ulampang kayong darbar tauan ke Jilla Meghalaya u Thomas Sangwa ulapentip balabatha ya u contractor ba untre baro shisngi ban pentikna ba kaying darbar thamai kan dapno hapo ubnai jilliu ne naitung shwa ka darbar banwan kabalabu ha unai nailar katukani kitiar ki ba don kam na ka binta banchna lapen kit sha ka Jilla ban penne ya ka jingsted jong ka jingtre usang ma ulapan pau shushu bakaway ka company ka wadan ha US ka ba uju tray menshwaya ka kam hapo jong ka ying darbar jong ka India ka day ka ba pet ya ki kam hapo jong ka ying darbar bathamai jong ka ying darbar thawan lamang pisa ka ba live folklore tingka kerpang nakabenta ka hall ba jong ka day ka complex
Go down. The bus journey, it was the Urban Affairs Department program of the Ambassador Department, but we decided that Honorable Chief Minister suggested that we have a bus tour of the new Shillong City Township and the new Shillong, the new secretariat, which is, the progress is very good. So we went to visit there and ultimately come here and show the honorable members around the progress of the work here in the assembly also.
Sir, are you satisfied with the progress of the work in this assembly?
Yes, so far the progress is quite good, I would say. But we have a very hard timeline. We have to finish by June or July at the most, because we are going to have the session. Next session is due in August, so we want to finish it before that.
So, do you think that is it possible that with so much work remaining, is it possible to hold August?
We have asked the contractors to do the work, in 3 shifts, which means round the clock.
So we have also toured certain areas here.
I'm sorry?
The external part of the buildings, has it been handed over to the PWD?
Yes, it is already been handed over, and the interior works are going on. As we speak now, we all know the interior parts consist of those claddings and paddings and all. So those materials are being manufactured outside our state, and they're being, as we speak, they're already on the way, and we expect those materials to reach by next week or next month.
So this is a separate contractor for